Hello, look at the pictures and guess the topic of our lesson today. Yes, the topic of our lesson today is physical activities. And at the end of this lesson, you will be able to talk about activities you like and you would like to try. Divide activities into individual and group and find necessary information in a text. Let's start. Now look at the pictures again and try to answer the questions. Which of the activities do you like doing? Постарайтесь ответить на вопросы. Какие activities do you like doing? Which would you like to try? The next task. И следующее задание, ребята. Which of the above are group activities and which are individual activities? Какие из них групп, а какие individual? Перейдите на сайт «Первое задание» под этим видео и запишите ваши ответы на вопросы. The next is check these words. Сейчас работаем со словами. Чтобы отработать слова, перейдите на сайт Quizlet, поработайте со словами, посмотрите их перевод, то, как они используются в предложениях. Затем возвращаемся и читаем текст. The text is called Jane Sport Blog. Текст называется «Спортивный блог Jane» at page 42. Откройте свои учебники, page 42. Now listen to the text. Слушаем текст. And while listening, пока вы слушаете, определите what sport is Jane describing in her blog.
Jane's sports blog. Hi everyone! Do you remember the sport Quidditch from the Harry Potter books? Well, now you can play it in real life. There's a new Quidditch club at my school and I joined last week. Of course, we can't fly like Harry Potter, so we run around with our broomsticks between our legs. We play on a grass pitch, and there are 7 players on each team, a seeker, 3 chasers, 2 beaters, and a keeper. The chasers try to throw the ball through hoops at the end of the pitch to score goals. The beaters try to stop them by throwing balls at them, and the keeper guards the hoop. The seeker, that's me, tries to catch the snitch, which is actually a tennis ball inside a long sock. If one of the seekers catches the snitch, then it's the end of the game. It sounds crazy and difficult, but it's great fun and really good exercise. The best thing, though, is that you don't have to be a talented athlete to play Quidditch. It's all about teamwork. Anyway, we're playing tomorrow, so I have to go and practice. Does anyone else play a strange sport like Quidditch? Leave a comment below.
Hi, Jane. Quidditch sounds like a lot of fun. I wish there were a team in my area. In Malaysia, we have a really exciting sport called sepak takraw. It's similar to volleyball, but you can only use your feet, knees, head and chest. So if you're good at football, you should try it. It's really popular across the whole of Southeast Asia, and here in Malaysia, it's our national sport. Each team has 3 players, the tekong, who plays up front, and 2 inside players called the left insider and the right insider. Just like volleyball, one player serves, but then the tekong must kick the ball over the net. If the ball touches the ground on the other side of the net, then the team scores a point. You should try it as it's really fast and athletic. Next year, I'm going to join the school sepak takraw team. You should set up a team at your school.
The next task. Следующий текст. Read the text again. Теперь перечитайте текст and match the sport to the sentences. И соедините, определите, о каком виде спорта идет речь. About Quidditch, о Квиддиче или sepak takraw, Поставьте буковки Q, O или ST напротив каждого предложения. Но перед тем, как вы начнете работать с этим упражнением, sometimes you might know something about the topic to the text. Обратите внимание на study skill. Иногда вы можете знать что-то по теме текста. In this case, use your knowledge to predict the answers to the question. В этом случае используйте ваши знания, чтобы предсказать ответы на вопросы, чтобы продумать ответы на вопросы заранее. However, make sure your final answers are based on the content of the text only. Но, однако, будьте уверены, что ваши эти знания, они не мешают ответы на вопросы, которые должны быть базированы на тексте. То есть в любом случае, когда вы отвечаете на вопросы, информацию вы берете из текста. That's all for today. На сегодня все. Запись работы я просмотрю ваши на видео. И упражнение второе вы вышлите мне фотографию в группе WhatsApp. Goodbye.